Hey guys, today I'll be reconstructing my 7.56 1 NR average. This average is probably one of the nicest NRs I've gotten because I've been spending quite a lot of time practicing OBL and PBL over the past couple of months now, and it's really satisfying to see my efforts finally pay off. I'm also really happy to get this average before Cameron destroys it. So, yeah. There were a couple of mistakes in this average, but I got bailed out by quite a lot of easy OBL and PBL cases. So yeah, I'll just quickly go into the solves right now. Still really glad that I got sub 8. So yeah, I was in group C. So if you want to follow along, the scrambles are over here. So yeah. Okay, first solve was a 7.68. I got this cube shape, shoot, which I counted to be bad. So what I did was I moved this shoe over here. I did a slice to change the parity, and I just finished off shoot like this. For OBL, I got bad knight X, which I basically just did something like this. So I did M2, and then I connect the blocks. And for PBL, I got this is SK, which I think I did something like U2D2, just to recognize the PBL, because I wasn't sure. And then I did like MJ, and I did edge, and I cancel in the bottom here. Yeah, I'm not really confident in cancelling on the top for that edge angle, so I just cancel into the bottom. Make sure it was a good solve, good and fluid solve. Okay, second solve was a 7.54. For cube shape, I got fist scallop, and I counted the case where it cuts the line over here. So the first slice I did like this, and then just one more slice to scallop kite, which I finish off like that. And then for OBL, I got bad ties, which I did U2, and then I did like this move, and I just connect the blocks. And then for PBL, I got SPJ. So for this, I did like U prime D prime, I think. And then it's just a standard cpep solution, just MJ and then edge. Okay, third solve was a 8.56. I made a mistake in this solve, so it probably could have been better. But yeah, I'll just quickly go through it. For cube shape, I got this 1, 2, 3 case, and then this edge over here. So what I did was I connect this over here, and then it's just one more slice of scallop kite, which I finish off like that. And for OBL, I got this 3 slicer. I can't remember what it's called, but basically I line it like that, and then I did like slash D prime into this case, into this one slice case. And then for PBL, I got D edge, which I should have done like PJ from the back to get JJ, but not sure why. And this is not the first time it's happened. Not sure why. I just kind of panicked, and I just did edge to swap these two and these two, and I was left with a single J on the top. So yeah, it could have been better, but wait, hold on. Yeah, it could have been better, but thankfully I didn't mess it up. Okay, fourth solve was a 7.4. Going into this solve, I knew I just needed like a fluid solve to get a good average, so that was my goal going into this solve. For cube shape, I got paw barrel, which I do like a suboptimal solution for this actually. So the way I learned to do it was to slice like this, and because I have parity, that's why I did this. And then after that I just connect this to get scallop kite. So yeah, certainly not optimal cube shape, but luckily I got 1-1 as my OBL, which I quickly did. I cancelled into the flip. And for PBL, I got a really easy case again. So this is just BS, which if I'm not wrong, I did something like this. So I just did JN, and then this edge cancel into the top. So there was probably some angle I could do that would cancel into the edge, but I wasn't too concerned about it. Still really happy to get a solid solve, which actually locked sub 8 for me on the 4th solve. So yeah, I'm not too upset about it. Last solve, this was a 7.46. I got this 1-2-3 case again, but it's a different 1-2-3 case. So for this one, I connect this block over here, and there's just one more slice to scallop kite. For OBL, I remember pausing quite a bit here, so I initially thought the alignment was like this, but then I quickly realized it was actually like this. So this is just a 3 slicer, so I just slice and then this OBL. And then for PBL, I got edge B, which I know is a 6 or 7 slicer, but I don't know the alg. So what I ended up doing was just like a single J on the bottom, and then edge. So once again, bailed out by easy cases, but still really happy to have not messed up any of these solves. And yeah, really happy to finally get sub 8, and hopefully I'll get even better averages in the future. So yeah.